This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll go over how to change the pads and battery in the Zoll AED 3. In preparation for emergencies, ensure the electrodes are made connected to the unit at all times. This AED features universal pads suitable for both adult and pediatric patients, each with a 5-year expiration. The expiration date is clearly indicated on the exterior of the pad packaging. Change the pads either upon reaching the expiration date or following AED usage. To swap or install new pads, first disconnect the current pads by gently pulling up on the connector's cable. Then, replace them with the new set and securely plug the cable back into the connector. The battery also has a 5-year lifespan, with both manufacturer and use-by dates prominently displayed on its exterior. When replacing the battery, ensure the defibrillator is powered off. Next, turn the device around and release the battery clips to remove the old battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring it clicks securely into place. After completing the pad and battery replacement, confirm the status indicator displays a green check mark indicating the AED is ready for potential rescue situations. If you have any questions or would like to go over purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-441-8378, or you can visit us online at www.aedmarket.com. Thanks for watching.